In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send silent messages on Instagram. Okay, so you might be on Instagram late at night and you want to send a person a message, one of your friends, but you don't want to bother them with a notification late at night. So you can now send silent messages. It's one of the latest features of Instagram. So all you need to do is go into your DM inbox, select the contact that you want to send a silent message to. And all you have to do to send a silent message is to type out your message. So I could just type out hello for an example. And then what you want to do is you want to put the @ symbol, and then you want to type silent. And then you can see right at the top of my screen right now, it says silent, send message without a notification. And that's what is going to happen when you type the message and then @silent. And that's pretty much all you have to do. And then you just need to press the send button, and then that specific person won't get a notification that they got a message when you put the @silent, which is pretty cool. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.